Hi and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today it's about a belt to a 6-jet Ranger. For this conversion I used an old Revell Plastic Kit in 1:32 scale, and for the mechanics I used the XK K200 for easy flying. In this video I'm going to show you how these two have been combined to a flying RC helicopter. So the Revell Plastic Kit I found on the internet in used condition, so the box was already opened before. And yeah, this is quite an old kit, and the level of detail on the surfaces is not that much, so there's not a lot of details to see, but however it's a nice little helicopter. And yeah, the owner before me had already packed the small parts into this plastic bag. So everything was complete. Yeah, the decals, unfortunately, they were already faded and cannot be used for this anymore. So here are the interior parts and the landing gear, and also it comes with 4 doors that can be shown opened. Instruction manual is also not quite a lot, because there are not too many steps to follow in order to finish this little helicopter. Here you can see the XK K200 Mechanics prepared for the integration. So I removed the landing gear, installed a longer extension wire for the battery connection, and I changed also the connector type to use a different battery, which is a 2S 650 milliamperes. So this is the tail motor wiring, and here you can see the fuselage halves already prepared for the integration of the mechanics. As usually, the battery had to be located in the most forward location in order to achieve a good center of gravity. So now the both fuselage halves are bonded together already, and the mechanics is inside, and as you can see it's really tight, so every little space is occupied. Yeah, the servo linkages are free, so they can travel without any blockage. And yeah, so the LED has been mounted on the roof, so that's good visible during the flight. And this access hatch is using for the battery connection, and on the bottom you see the balancer and a small cutout for the optical flow sensor of the XK 200. And now the finished model on the scale, and as you can see it's around about 150 grams, which is easy to take off for the XK K200. So many thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.